So the next topic that we are going to discuss today is transpose of a matrix. What do you mean by transpose of a matrix? Where this transpose of a matrix is used while solving the question, and how to perform an operation with the help of which we can transpose a matrix. So hello everyone, my name is Prakhar Shrivastava and let us discuss the topic. So before moving forward, I'll just try to take this thing into account. This is your matrix A. Suppose this is your matrix A, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now I am saying you have to transpose this matrix. So what do you mean by transpose of a matrix? What do you mean by transpose of a matrix? It is nothing but interchange of rows and column. Interchange rows and column. Interchange rows and column. That is, the rows becomes the column and the column becomes rows. So the transpose of this matrix A is written as A dash or A transpose, and this will be equal to, this first row becomes first column, that is 2, 6, and second row becomes second column, that is 4, 8. Now this is not directly asked in any examination, but this is asked in form of inverse or rank of a matrix and many other things. So while you are solving the question to find the inverse of a matrix or the rank of a matrix or system of linear equation or linear transformation, your basics of transpose of a matrix should be clear. Now let us enter into the legal terms. So transpose of a matrix, the matrix obtained from any given matrix A by interchanging the rows and the column is called the transpose of the matrix A, and it is denoted by A dash or A transpose. Thus the transpose matrix of 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8 will become, this first column become first row and second column become second row, or vice versa. Now the order is 3 rows into 2 column. So what will be the order of 3 rows into 2 column? So what will be the order of transpose of a matrix? 2 rows. Now 3 column becomes 2 rows. So here 2 column becomes 2 rows and 3 rows become 3 column. So clearly the transpose of a matrix M cross N is a N cross M matrix. And again, if you find the transpose of this matrix, it becomes the original matrix. So that is why the transpose of a matrix, that is transpose ka transpose, becomes equal to the original matrix, I hope you are clear with this phenomena of transpose of a matrix. And now in upcoming concepts, we will understand where this transpose of a matrix will be used. Okay. So there is a new batch that is launched on 24th of November for GATE 2024, and there is another batch called as Bunyad that will be launched on December 21 for GATE and PSU, but for 2025. Now these two batches are absolutely one of the best batches out there in the country for GATE CSE preparation. Okay, but why you should join these batches? Obviously legendary educators are teaching in this. Apart from that, you will also get access to 8500 plus pages per branch, and along with that you will also get 5600 plus unique questions that will help you to be exam ready. You will be getting the daily doubt solving classes, daily practice problems. I don't think this will be a big issue to you. Apart from that, if you want to buy plus an iconic subscription, first of all you can use the code Prakhar10 to get a flat 10% discount. And apart from that, the prices for 12 month of subscription for plus is 28,859 rupees. 28,859 rupees after you apply the code Prakhar10. Otherwise it is 32,000 after price drop. So ultimately you will be saving approximately 12,000 rupees, that is 30% of the original amount. Similarly, if you try to go for iconic subscription, you will be saving approximately 26%. So go now on an Unacademy platform, use the code Prakhar10 and get yourself a 10% discount. And don't like, these are the recorded lecture prices that I have already discussed. And if you are not enrolled for all India mock test, then go get yourself enrolled, because you can get 100% scholarship in this. So someone who is securing rank between 1 to 10 will be getting 100% scholarship. Rank 11 to 60 will be 75%, rank 61 to 200 will be 50%, and if you are under 500 you will be getting a discount. And it will also help you to realize that how a GATE paper looks like, what you feel while giving the paper. So what are you waiting for? Get yourself exam ready and get yourself some of the discount offer that are going on. So when you are having these tests will be there on 4th of December, 18th of December, 8th of January, 15th of January, 22nd January and 29th January. And you can register absolutely free using the code Prakhar 10. Okay, so I don't think you will be having any doubt. Thank you.